Greetings and salutations, ones and ones. The professor is back with another director's overview. Big up all of the people who support the channel, all the subscribers, all the viewers. Thank you so much for making it Xpressionz JA. And most importantly, making it the bartender. Because I only made this director's overview because people say it's very insightful and I'm glad say I do a breakdown. Some people think say it kind of, what's the word that somebody use? Almost like it's self-explanatory. But I don't think so. And enough of the people don't think so. So, we're going to be doing now breaking news. This particular drone shot is very special to us. One day more tell you why. It is very special to us.
Yes, Sandra. Yes, I clear the time, so we will be on vacation with no disruptions. Yes. Yes, I packed my stuff already. Okay. Alright.
And I think Carlton excited to go on this vacation.
This just in. In an earlier report, we mentioned the murder of a woman yesterday in a house located in the Red Hills area. We can now confirm her identity. She is Michelle Wallace, wife of Minister of Government and Member of Parliament Marcus Wallace. Police are still processing the crime scene and say their investigations are ongoing. However, efforts to contact Mr. Wallace have proven futile. But we understand his daughter, Tiffany, is also missing. We will have more as the story unfolds.
We will have a vested interest in this news item. Persons that it will affect in different ways. So we use the persons who the emotions that they're going through will read differently every time you see them come on the screen. So tell me what kind of emotion you think Bubbles have got through, what kind of emotion Aaron have got through, and what kind of emotion Mullings have got through. Those are the three persons that we show while the newscasts are going.
No, this is getting even more
interesting. So tell me in the comment section below what emotions these three actors were going through. Bubbles, Aaron, Mullings, while the newscasts are going.
Ziggy.
Make the security and call. Just tell them for me to come upstairs now.
Alright, put all the security on the phone. Yeah, you can let me.
You guys wouldn't believe what we do for achieve this phone call. We had what challenges, but we still work it out.
Where you want? Where are they? We need for that. So you couldn't call? Credit done. Yeah, listen to yourself. Credit done. A big businessman like you not no credit.
A businessman reduced to a yard.
Pass for the cause. Junior Williams is an actor that you can get drama and comedy out of equally. Now, some actors are good at drama and not so good at comedy. Some vice versa. Good at comedy, not so good at drama. This actor embodies both naturally and evenly. For this scene, I wanted him to play the Sullivan that people used to from the onset, from the early stages of the bartender. I wanted him to go back to confrontational Trevor Sullivan. Tell me if he pull it off. Back to the clip.
Reduced to a yard boy. Carlton. You never say you're going to send the money to give me baby mother then.
Yeah. I'm gonna do that. So, are the dead money you send to give the woman them for the youth then? Somebody to send live money. And me breed them. Me for send money for them, do them hair and nails and whatever else. That's your responsibility. Me send money for the youth them to go to school. That's what me promise.
And let me tell you this. The little chum change you may wear, nah go cut it. You need more.
No. Trevor is in Carlton's penthouse. But watch the way him a play. Him still a play very strong and very forward. The reason for that is this is a place, if you not follow the story, that Trevor was supposed to get initially. So when me play in a this, or when me ask him for play, is ownership. Even though him not the owner, he would have been the owner, and that is why I ask the character for play. You walk in, don't play down like you believe say Carlton more than you. Carlton just scam you out of this place. So when you walk in, why you give me a ownership vibe. No more me the manager for Calder Tours and me the yard boy for your place. Play ownership. Go back to playing strong. And I think you can pull it off. Let's continue.
Wow. You said with a chest, with gusto. Like you deserve more.
When you want more than what you can give.
Yeah, try my patience. You know. Me say, what you do ya? What you want?
Carlton, just calm down.
And Carlton is
so
patient,
aggressive.
you know.
And we can't just reason like two civilized persons. Eh?
So when you
Just
say
chill,
Carlton
man.
I get fierce, you try play back.
Something.
That is what
So
makes
why?
a scene powerful. When
Sounds
actors know
right.
when to take the lead and when other actors know when to
Again.
play. We call it playback. Yeah. So for those of us who don't understand, when we talk about different things when you come into acting and directing, you have some scenes that are subtle, or I would say subtly intense, and then you have other scenes that are strongly intense. So playing in certain space don't call for that hard intensity, some of it call for more subtle intensity. So location and situation is what makes you understand what kind of intensity for play. So I hope this was helpful. I hope we shed some light and some insight for those of you who are into the overview. We just finished breaking news. Until next time, see you on the other side.